Hey guys, Andrew here with Great Lakes Sprouts Media. Today I'm going to show you guys how to properly prune a branch. There's a lot of wrong ways to do it in order for it to heal. We're going to find some examples. Come on, let's go. So hey guys, we found this tree here. This is called a musclewood or ironwood. When you're touching it, it kind of feels like a muscle going up and around it. You can feel it. So I'm going to show you guys this video. The purpose of the video, like I said, is to show you how to cut a branch. There's a lot of people that do it wrong. It can severely hurt the tree and leave an open wound and not heal properly. So you look here, we got the branch collar and the branch bark ridge. Some trees have a little bit more definition. You can see right here, this one's got a nice definition here. You start to see it kind of swell. We want to cut above that. Reason being, I'll show you guys some examples later. We want it to heal and close properly. If you go too far in, a lot of people like to make it nice and flush. Oh, cool, let's match it right to the tree, make it smooth. It's not going to heal right. So we want to do at first cut, we want to go a little bit out. This is an undercut. The reason we do this is so when I go to make the next cut, it's not gonna strip the tree down. I'll show you some examples. So that's our first cut. Now we're gonna do our second cut. First cut's out here, and the second cut's out here. It's gonna take the weight off. So you see how it's stripped like that? Imagine if that would have happened down here. Now you got an open wound. That's why the purpose of the first cut there. So now we can go ahead. There's not a lot of weight, so we're not going to cause it to strip down. We go in an angle. We want to. You can see kind of where the branch collar comes out. We want to go outside of it. You can always come back later too, as the tree's healing. We can clean it out. There you guys have it. There's a nice clean cut. You'll see over time it's going to heal. I'm going to show you some examples right here that are healing, but beautiful cut there. Also, another thing to mention, make sure your tools are nice and sharp, but also when you're going in between branches and trees, especially if they're diseased, make sure you're disinfecting your tools because you'll start spreading diseases. Not a good thing. So just a simple solution of a 1 to 10 bleach with water or rubbing alcohol, that works good too. But yeah, make sure you disinfect your pruning tools, things like that after or between or at the end of the day as well. Here's one that's healing as well. Like I said before, we can go through here with a pick, get this all out too, so it helps do the healing process. A lot of people like to use that tar to close the trees up. Don't do that. From my research and understanding, you're just gonna mess up with the natural healing process of the tree. Let it do its own thing. You can help it by, like I said, making sure this dead material in here is cleaned out. Let the tree do its own process. Don't put that tar stuff on there. It's not good for it. The tree knows how to heal itself. All right guys, we're looking at this tree here. This branch is dead. Come to here, look at the branch collar. See how this nub's left behind? Perfect example of how Mother Nature is able to heal itself. This tree's doing its own compartmentalization, starting to heal this wound. Now we can go up to this tree and we can help it out. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna remove this decaying wood here. Just make sure not to hit the branch collar. This is a line out branch. You don't need to do the 3-cut method. Just use the 3-cut method I showed earlier. So we can go through, even clean this out more with a knife and really speed up the process. We don't want to prune trees though in the middle of summertime because there's a lot of disease and pathogens present. This is still like late winter, so this will have time to heal itself. But there you guys see it. Perfect example how this thing's healing itself. You can see in this wound too. This one's healing over here too, but there you guys have it. That's how you properly prune a branch. We're gonna show you guys more videos in the future on how to prune trees and other different types of trees and when to do them, when not to do them, how to do them. But this is just a simple video, really important video because I've seen a lot of people do it wrong. If you guys have any more questions, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe button, guys. Thanks for watching.